Binance just burned another 3.1 billion LUNC. This is awesome. Okay. That now puts the total Binance burn at 8.6 billion. So this is huge for the community, okay? Because if Binance had not gotten on board, the 1.2% burn tax that we would have seen implemented only would have burned about 5 billion so far. So what Binance is doing currently is outpacing the rest of the market. And again, this kind of gives the other exchanges an idea of how they should do things. This is going to go a long way in helping bring down that Terra Classic supply, because right now, we're sitting at like 6 point something billion, and it's going to be coming down very, very quickly. They expect that we may end up burning up to 500 billion Terra Classic per year. Now this year, obviously, we're in the bear market. The market's kind of depressed. We're going sideways. There's not a whole lot happening. And because of that, that's the reason why you saw this Binance burn period be less than the prior burn period. Okay, it's slowed down a little bit. Everything is kind of slowed down. We do know we got that jobs report last week, and it was a good jobs report, which is typically bad for interest rate hikes. So we may end up seeing some more interest rate hikes, which again was why people are pumping the brakes a little bit on spending and buying and selling and all this sort of stuff as the market just continues to trade sideways. Now, that being said, we obviously do have some catalysts this week. We do have the CPI data report, which is coming up in just a couple days. So we should find out what inflation is doing, if these interest rates have actually been, combating inflation, if they've actually been bringing it down. This is going to be a big, big indicator for, I think, the rest of the year. If this can go well, maybe the Fed is a little bit more hesitant about raising interest rates. I don't know. I don't know what their overall plan is and what they expect to see on this CPI report. I mean, we know some stuff is going to be up. We know that fuel is going to be high. A couple other things, I doubt food and stuff like that has really come down much at all. But we'll obviously just have to wait and see. Now, Terra Classic prices, been actually performing well over the last month or so. We can see that we've been stuck in this period of sideways trading, and that's quite okay. I'd rather be stuck in sideways trading, consolidation, than price continually going down. And it's showing that there's good support. I mean, right now, we're at up about 2.5% on the day. Still trading that 303 level, and things have been looking pretty good for price as far as that goes now. So obviously, this has been your weekly Binance burn update. We'll keep you updated on the week, see obviously how price is performing, especially based on that CPI report coming out. But yeah, that's all I really got for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, show your support for the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Take care, guys.